So now let's see how we can work around with Pixelate filters inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So if I were to go around over here onto the filter menu, then you can see that Pixelate is an option. So here you can see that you can apply different effects such as color halftone right here. So once I do that, what I can do is I can choose a radius and I can choose different channels right here. Let me just go around and press OK, and you can see that this is how you can add in Pixelate right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here and go to filter onto Pixelate, and you can go around, change around the values right here. Let's say, for example, I want to change the channel 1 to let's say 10, and this is going to be 15, and this is going to be 20. And you can go around and experiment out right here and change around the radius to maybe 3. Press OK right here. So it says value between 4. So just go around and you can see that now the Pixelate effect is added in. Let me just press Ctrl Z to go back. And now I'm going to go around onto filter, onto Pixelate, and you can also go around and apply crystallize right here. So it's more like a crystallization effect, as you can see, and you can apply this effect as well. Press Ctrl Z again, and I'm going to go around over here onto Pixelate effect, and you can go around and add in facet effect over here as well, which smoothens out the edges, as you can see. So let me just press Ctrl Z right here. You can go around over here and go to Pixelate and fragment over here just like this. So you got more like a fragmentation right here. And let me just go around, press Ctrl Z. You can go to Pixelate and you can go for measure tint over here just like this and add in fine dots or different type of dots from the menu, as you can see just like this. Press OK, and this is what you have. Let me just press Ctrl Z and go to filter right here. Go to Pixelate right here, just like this, and you can go around, add in mosaic value over here, just like this as well. Press cancel right here and go to filter, and I'm going to go around over here onto let's say, for example, Pixelate, and if you were to go to pointillize right here, then you can go around, add in let's say points instead of pixels to give that effect as well. And that is how you can go around and utilize the Pixelate filters inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.